Come test drive 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, USB connection, compass, security alarm, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.